Home Remedies presents.
Just dip cinnamon in vinegar and you won't believe what happens. Hello and welcome. Have you ever tried combining cinnamon with vinegar? If not, it's time to give it a go. This simple mixture can delight you with its versatility and save you money on expensive preparations. To start, grind the cinnamon in a grinder for a stronger effect, though pre-ground cinnamon works too. For a more effective mixture, freshly ground cinnamon is preferred. Ingredients: ground cinnamon, freshly ground or pre-ground, 200 ml warm water, 200 ml white vinegar. Step-by-step preparation. Grind the cinnamon or use pre-ground cinnamon. Add the ground cinnamon to 200 ml of warm water and mix well. Allow the mixture to stand for 2 hours to let the cinnamon dissolve properly. Add 200 ml of vinegar and mix everything well. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth to obtain a clear liquid. Why do this? Here are 4 great uses. Mouth rinse. A mixture of vinegar, water, and cinnamon naturally disinfects the mouth, destroying the bacteria that causes bad breath. Vinegar helps maintain the pH balance in the mouth, while cinnamon provides a refreshing scent and has antibacterial properties. Insect and rodent repellent. This mixture acts as a repellent for ants, cockroaches, mice, and rats. Spray the entrance of your house or any areas where pests are a concern. It also helps keep the neighbor's cat from defecating in your yard and disinfects surfaces contaminated by rats or cockroaches. Surface cleaner. Clean all surfaces in the house, including floors, with this mixture. It effectively disinfects and cleans, ensuring a sanitary environment. Foot bath. Mix this solution with a couple of liters of water and soak your feet twice a week. The antibacterial properties of vinegar and cinnamon help combat fungus and unpleasant odors. Vinegar softens the skin and reduces inflammation, while cinnamon refreshes and improves circulation. This multi-purpose mixture is fantastic and will save a lot of money on expensive chemicals.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.